Hello friends, welcome to Build Learning Club. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you make a collage photo within just few clicks. Yes friends, you can do it just by few clicks. So you can see the images. This is the first image and now you can see this collage photo, and yes, you can create this just within 1 minute friends. I will show you. So yeah, it's beautiful, and you can also edit this collage photo. So these are some images you can show. So first of all, I want to tell you about one website like Pin Tool, Pintool. If you don't know Pin Tools, then don't worry, this is a very famous website. You can do lot of things here. So basically, I just want to do what? I just want to do the March photos. So go to search and just type MERGE March. So now, so you can see here the March images. So if you want to merge any two image, then this is the best website. So here you have to choose the first image. So yeah, I choose this image, and next I choose this image. So now, what you want, vertically or horizontally? So at first I want horizontally. So just click on horizontally, and the thickness of the border size, yeah, just give any value, and now click on merge. It will loading, and the image will be merged. And now you can see friends, the image has merged. So yes, you can increase the thickness. This is the border thickness, and by clicking JPG and PNG format, you can download this picture also. So if you click on vertically and just thickness, just increase, and then click on merge, and yes, the picture has merged vertically. You can see this. So if you want to do that, this is the best website for merging two pictures into one. And here is a lot of tools. I will talk about these tools in later videos. So in this video, I will show you how can you merge images just by few clicks. So just open Google and type Adobe Express. And this is a very famous website. And just click on Adobe Express. If you are not logged in with Adobe Express, just create an account. This is very easy, and yes, you can create the account by just put your email ID friends. So now I am clicking the get Adobe Express free. It's absolutely fine, get Adobe Express free, and it's very amazing friends. So now you can hear lot of things: Instagram post, poster, Facebook post, YouTube thumbnail, and now you can see the collage. So this is the just click on this, and this is very amazing friends. So I just type nature in nature. So yes, these are the photos of nature. If you want to upload from your computer, then you can upload from here, just clicking on upload. So here, these are some stock photos. I just click on some free photos, and now I need this photo, and now I need this photo. I just take the five photos, and yeah, no, this is a premium photo, and now I click this photo. Just click on next and choose the size: landscape, poster, YouTube thumbnail, Facebook, Instagram stories, square, whatever you want, social post, print, social profile. So I just click on landscape and next. So yes, friends, you can see the collage photo has been ready. So if you want to change the layout, here are the awesome layout, friends. Just you can see the grid, and I just click on this layout. Yeah, this is awesome layout, friends, and you can just edit this picture like this, and you can just edit like the picture like this if you want. So I just edit like this. Yeah, this is where is the sun? Yeah, this is better. Yeah, this is better. uh, no, just yeah, this is some better. Okay, so you can swap the images like this. Yeah, this is some better image. Okay, so now after doing that, you can also give the color of the border. So yeah, it's loading. So it's basically some sky color. You can choose any color from here. So I just choose this. Yes, black. This is black color is the best color. And you can choose the design also, any design whatever you want. There is a lot of designs that match with layout. And yes, so here some design assets, backgrounds, text. If you want to add any text, then you can do it. These are some premium text, but this is the free text. This is also free text. If you want to add, then add it. So you can see this text. Yeah, just I click on this. You can see. So I can edit the text like NATUR nature view, VIEW, and I just change the color from here also and add the background. Yes, you can just zoom in or zoom out from here. Okay, so here it is a text and you can edit whatever you want. So you can create a collage photo like this within just few click, and this is awesome, friends. So if you want to download, just click on download, and whatever the format it is, PNG, JPG, just click on PNG and start download. And yes, it the picture has been downloaded. So in this way you can create the mini collage photos. I just show you one more. Just go to home and just go to collage photo, and here I just want to Bart's, BIRDS, Bart's photo. So I just this this and some of this, just next, and landscape whatever you want. Yeah, so you can see this, and you can change the layout from here. So you can increase the border size like this and decrease the border size like this. So just this is the border, and yeah, it is locked. This is the cell size. You can increase the cell size or increase the border size also. Okay, so you can choose the color also from here. And now the layout. So what is the layout? Yeah, it's the pretty good layout. And if you want to change the photos like this, you can do it. And yeah, this is the very beautiful. So in this way you can create the collage just by few clicks. So thank you, friends, thank you for watching this video. If you want to download it, just click on download and choose the format, and just click on start download. Okay, friends, so don't forget to subscribe the channel for more interesting videos on tutorials videos and the analysis videos on the tech updates. So just subscribe my channel and support the channel. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video.